I've built a Streamlit app here that does two things. One, leverages Gemini 3.0's core capabilities, such as document, image, audio, and video understanding. And two, leverages chat input widget from Streamlit as a single entry point for all data types. So we can provide a text input or a voice input. And from this widget, we can also upload files. Okay. So basically, I can provide an image file, voice response, and my code logic will process both and let Google Gemini 3.0 cross-reference the image with the voice prompt and provide a response. And here I also have it set up so that we can choose to get not only a text response but audio response along with it. And I've set it up so we can see Gemini's thought process behind its response. After all, it's a thinking model. And finally, I have a little widget built so that we can take a model's response and copy it to the clipboard, copy it to a clipboard, and then paste it into whatever other medium you want to paste it into. All right, so let's get going here. So I'm going to choose audio response for a couple of simple prompts here. What is the capital of India? And the one thing with thinking models is that time to first token.
New Delhi is the capital of India.
Okay, with all these thinking models, whether Google or OpenAI or anyone else, time to first token takes a little longer. So you've got to be patient with it. Okay, and so it's also a multi-turn conversational bot. So basically, I'm storing the history, the prompt, and the response, and so it's going to remember the prior history here. So I can just do a follow up here and say, "How about France?"
Paris is the capital of France.
Yeah, and you know, this all in one sort of a widget, the chat input widget. At least it helps me with not having a standalone widget for uploading a file and a standalone widget for providing a voice input. So here in my code, let me show you. We're using Gemini 3.0 here for everything except for when we want to get a voice response. So basically, I'm using, I guess 3.0 doesn't quite yet have a TTS model, but 2.5 Flash text-to-speech model is what we are using. And as always, I'm going to leave a link in the description that will take you to my code here. And so this is the model we're using, text-to-speech. And here's how you configure all of that. Like you got to make sure the modalities audio, and you can choose different voices, even languages, etc. So back to the app here. I'm going to change this to no, clear this, and let's just upload a document here and ask, what were the experiments the author conducted? Again, time to first token just takes a little bit longer. And here, when the response comes back, I'm going to show you that little widget for copying it to a clipboard. So here's a big old response, and we can copy this whole response and then now paste it wherever we like. Let's clear this guy. Let's try an image here, and I'm going to ask caption this. And once the response comes back, I'll show you the thought process here, because it's just embedded in this app, or at least I'm asking for it so we can see it. So let me show you. So with the response, we are also getting back the thought process or the thought tokens, and here's the model's thoughts or thought summary, and here are some possible captions. And so here, let me show you. So here I'm sending the history, so it can be a true conversational or multi-turn bot. chatbot, and with this we got to provide um, or ask for including the thoughts back, and that's what allows us to see the thought summary. And first, we got to declare that we want to what level of thinking do we want to use. With 3.0, the default is high, but the options are minimal, low, medium, and high. So there you go. And I'm going to clear this. Let's try a audio file here. And now let's get the response back here. Transcribe this and get the audio response as well. And I'll show you.
Certainly. Here is the transcript from the video. It's a matter of time before AI companies develop systems that can see, listen, talk, create, move, plan, and make reasonable decisions using external information and knowledge to achieve a goal. Hope this helps.
All right, thank you. So here I have provided a couple of helper functions that I actually got from Google that takes the audio response, which basically the way it works is we get the the text response back from the model, and I just feed that to this text to speech model right here, and I'm just asking it like, please read this out loud, and once this audio response, we just take convert that into audio, bytes, and this helper functions here help to play that voice response. All right, and lastly, why not do one more different media file here. Let's use this guy here, and I'm just going to say summarize this video. Again, time to first token, just takes a little while. All right, and we can take a look at it. We can expand here to see the model's thought summaries, and it's basically happening right here, just using Streamlit's expander widget to take a look at the thought process that we are asking the model to return back. Okay, that's all there is to it. Hey, again, I just want to show you two things here. Gemini 3.0's capabilities and some of the things you can do, such as get model's thought process back. You can get the text response, but you can also get audio response along with the text. And wanted to showcase this all-in-one sort of a widget where you can provide text or audio input, upload different kind of files, which basically let me just show you. Might be helpful to know this, but here, this is the chat input widget. We declare accept file to be true, and here's all the different file types I'm allowing it to. You can add some other stuff in here. CSV. I already have CSV, but maybe MP4. I actually have all of that. So, but you can, if there's something missing, you can add it here, or you can take it out. Okay, and we also say accept audio, and I have it all set up here. If you're going to use my code, where it's going to look for all the different types of files or the files you're uploading and figure out what type of file it is, etc. And it's all taken care with this code here. Okay, and as always, feel free to take the code, use it as is, and you will get this or modify it to your use case. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like the video. Click on the like button, please. All right, thank you so much. Until next time.